here, you don't even know. So I came here a couple of years ago from the Midwest.
Oh, come on.
And the Cantab lounge is a major part of what makes Boston now home to me. I owe more to this room than anybody should really owe anything that smells like piss. Anyway. A train. Head between my knees in black lace, green bra, belt buckle, eyeliner on the A train uptown to sleep on a box spring tonight. My companion's off to sodomy clubs, no use to me. I just want some screaming sleep. My lips drip acidic puke of Evian, Grey Goose, and cheeseburger into a plastic bag left over from a blueberry bagel. Across sit tittering man and woman, red patent heels and cardigans and straight brown bangs and tasteful glasses and creased pants. They are new acquaintances, subway coincidences, and on this near-empty car, they have to watch this tattooed Medusa spew into a plastic bag. Watch the makeup trail off her summer sweat as her eyes water. Watch her try to wipe the snot. Worse, near hellish is her high hysteric laughter, even as she vomits and cries. Her wild, desperate mirth with the awareness of this horror, not what anyone wants to see before the first date. They whisper, I avert, how alike they are, they who are not this. So different together from this hungry purger painted and spangled on this midnight banshee train. And they, safe outside this nightmare, exchange names, numbers, a promise to text, all just below the rumble of existential moan. It is so good to be human, they are thinking, and to know what you are supposed to do. You give the guy your phone number, cut your bangs, cross your legs, smell of fabric softener and shampoo, thank your own personal star face that you are not that puking, snotting, laughing creature disguised so poorly as young woman. If we're going to call it something, let's call this my gift. My shivering purblind with substance and bleeding vision of bodies corroded, formless, this fragile dissection of compass and clock, I will do the work for you. The smoky breath caught in these ribs is insurance for your calm and grinning life. Take it. It's much too precious for me to hang on to. These types of things tend to get away from me in bars, beds, taxis, trains, whirlpools, volcanoes, novas, time. Tonight, I lost my last $20 bill. Finding it will let someone believe in fate. Your hair will keep growing and you will marry in October. You will have career paths and children and grow slowly fat. And your faces will wrinkle eventually. And for years over wine drinking, you will remember how you met, began speaking because of the thick discomfort of that hideous vomiting girl on the subway. So romantic, you will laugh and kiss with tongues even after all these years. Such good lifetimes you are about to live. Let this life of separate shapes and colors and words that mean what the dictionary says be my happy gift to you. All you pretty people with your clean mouths. I am glad to do it. I know it will be safe with you. Your chests make better homes. I never could teach it how to hold me.